Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your pharmacy assistant. On this occasion, we will talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today, I'll be guiding you to understand everything about Piroxicam, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Whether you've been prescribed it or are simply curious about its uses, you're in the right place. First things first, what exactly is Piroxicam? Piroxicam is used to reduce pain, swelling, and joint stiffness caused by arthritis. It's often prescribed for conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, making everyday movements a little more bearable. Now, how does Piroxicam work? It blocks certain substances in the body that are related to inflammation. This means it not only provides pain relief, but also addresses the root causes of swelling and discomfort. Let's move on to dosage and administration. It's crucial to follow your doctor's instructions carefully. A lower dose is usually recommended at the start, which can be adjusted based on how you respond to the treatment. Remember, taking more than recommended won't speed up your recovery and could lead to serious side effects. Speaking of which, let's talk about potential side effects and precautions. The most common ones include dizziness, headaches, or stomach upset. Always be on the lookout for any signs of stomach bleeding or allergic reactions, and consult your doctor immediately if you experience such symptoms. To wrap up, remember that Piroxicam is a powerful tool against pain and inflammation when used correctly. Always double-check your dosage, take it at the same time each day, and most importantly, maintain close communication with your healthcare provider. That's a quick rundown on using Piroxicam effectively. Thank you for listening, and take care of your health.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.